This is a quick video to show you guys how I set up my little outdoor biogarden. This is growing basil, and I've got it on some of these legs I bought online. Just attach them to 2x6s or 2x4s and lay the trough on top. I've got a drain system, a pump, and a drip line, and an overflow level, and a drain at the bottom of this little valve so that water continuously drains after each cycle. And this is a drip line that's carrying the nutrient-rich water, dripping it onto the aggregate so we get a complete distribution of water and nutrients. And here we're growing basil. And if you want to see how we produce a fertilizer to make this basil so pretty, organic, extracting, and Nutricycling, subscribe to my channel, watch some of the other videos, and you'll see how we do that. Thanks for watching.